Hello and welcome back to what is a very last minute Galaxy Gremlin video. Last night the Astro gods gave us a very rare clear night, so I am straight at the Bodes Galaxy and the M82. Let's dive in.
Welcome back to Galaxy Gremlin. Tonight we're going after a proper cosmic heavyweight, the Bodes Galaxy, also known as Messier 81. So now, if you're new here, this is where I, without any coffee whatsoever and way too much hard whiskey and not enough fancy gear, attempt to capture galaxies millions of light years away and probably complain about the clouds at some point. So let's dive in.
To spot Bodes Galaxy, start with the Big Dipper in Ursa Major. Look at the top right hand star of the bowl, called Doob, and from there move your scope about a fist's width up and slightly right, and that faint glow, that is M81.
So let's quickly talk about the target, and if you're wondering why I'm whispering, I've got loads of neighbours around, and quite frankly I don't want the police being called for some random in his back garden talking to himself. So let's talk about the target. Bodes Galaxy hangs around in Ursa Major, which was also known as the Big Bear in the Northern Hemisphere, and yet this is exactly the same neighbourhood as the Big Dipper. So if you can find that, you're already on the right tracks. It's about 12 million light years away, which is absolutely bonkers because when you think about it, 12 million light years ago, saber-toothed tigers were roaming the Earth, so the light from this galaxy set off 12 million years ago, and now it's hitting our sensor. I'm running my scope, was all strapped on, and of course the mount is doing its absolute best. I'm running a 3-minute exposure at an ISO of 800, so well, if it messes up, the Astro gods are to blame. That's all. Everything goes well.
As I mentioned, tonight was a little bit of a last minute mission, but I decided to do something a little bit daring. Normally I cap my sessions at around about 3 hours, mainly because I don't fancy freezing Mrs. Gremlin when I finally crawl into bed, and my camera battery always limits me. But recently I took the plunge and I got a mains adapter, so no more battery checks. So this time I pulled an all-nighter, let the rig run, and this is what I captured. Well, you can't get better than that, can you? I am so ecstatic about how that's turned out. I do think, however, a few more hours of integration and it might have even been a little bit better, and I can only imagine what this would look like with a better, newer camera. However, given the equipment that I have and the camera that I have, I'm still incredibly happy with the outcome. Check out this close-up of M82, the Cigar Galaxy. It's been going through a cosmic wrestling match with the Bodes Galaxy, and the results are explosive. That gravitational tug has ignited a furious starburst, spawning countless young blazing hot stars. It's chaos, beauty and cosmic fireworks all in one. Once again, thank you very much for watching the video. Please like and subscribe, and I will try and get a new video out soon.